Hello and welcome. You are looking at a typical WordPress notification sent to an email. And what you'll notice is that this WordPress email has a compound email address. You'll notice that it has two separate domains that is mentioned, which can decrease the deliverability. However, this notification email is part of the default settings of a WordPress installation. Currently, if you were to go to the settings area of WordPress, there would be no place for you to customize the WordPress email. And so any added functionality, such as a membership site, will use the same mail setup. So what you'll want to be able to do with WordPress is to add some functionality through a plugin that will allow you to create more deliverable emails. And we can do that through Amazon SES. So the next step, we're going to change the functionality of our WordPress installation by using Amazon SES. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.